is LUQMAN HAIKAL bin AHMAD MAZLAN, metric number A23A1497. This studies analysis and insurance charges dataset consisting of 1,338 observations. The dataset contains several variables, namely age, gender, body mass index or BMI, number of children, smoking status, region and annual insurance charges. Statistical analysis is important because it helps research identify patterns within the data, summarize information effectively and make meaningful conclusions based on evidence. Therefore, the objective of these studies are to perform random sampling, conduct discrete analysis, and conduct inferential analysis using statistical technique.
Hi, my name is NUREEN ELYANA binti AZMAN. My matrix number is A23A1629. Before conducting the analysis, a sampling procedure was carried out according to the assignment instruction. Based on the matrix numbers of our group member, the smallest value obtained was 15, while the largest value was 97. Using the given formula, the sample size was calculated as 485 observations selected from the first 597 observations in the dataset. The selected sample was then used for all subsequent analysis. Simple random sampling was performed using the select cases function in IBM SPSS statistics. The method ensures that every observation has an equal probability of being selected. As shown in the figures, exactly 485 observations were selected from the first 579 cases. The SPSS output confirmed that the sampling procedure was successfully executed and the selected observations were retained for the future analysis.
Hi, my name is ATHIRAH binti Muhammad ZAMRI. Metric number A23A1977. Descriptive statistics were used to summarize the characteristics of the selected sample. The average age of respondent was 39.21 years, indicating that most respondents were adult. The average BMI was 30.60, while the average insurance charge was Rm 12,897.93. Among the variables analyzed, insurance charge recorded the highest variability, indicating substantial differences in insurance costs among respondents. Graphical analysis was conducted to better understand the distribution of the data. The histogram of insurance charges show a positively skewed distribution. This means that most respondents recorded relatively lower insurance charge, while a smaller number recorded substantially higher charge. The pie chart illustrates the distribution of respondents according to gender. The proportion of male and female respondents is relatively balanced, indicating that both groups are adequately represented in the selected sample.
Hello, my name is IZANI binti RAMLI, metric number A23A1573. Inferential statistics we conduct to determine whether significant differences exist between groups. An independent sample t-test was performed to compare insurance charges between smoker and non-smoker. The mean insurance charge for a smoker was 31,685 ringgit and 5 cents, whereas non-smoker recorded a mean charge of 8,617 ringgit and 31 cents. This finding indicate that smokers tend to incur substantially higher insurance charges compared to non-smokers. The independent sample t-test produced a p-value of less than 0.001. Since the p-value is lower than the significance level of 0.05, the null hypothesis was rejected. Therefore, smoking status significantly affects insurance charges. Next, a one-way ANOVA was conducted to determine whether insurance charge differs across regions. The ANOVA result produced an F value of 0.044 and a p-value of 0.988. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, the null hypothesis could not be rejected. Therefore, region does not significantly influence insurance charges among respondents.
Hello, my name is Muhammad MUSTAQIM bin Muhammad ASWAN. My method number is A23A2215. In conclusion, random sampling was successfully conducted using SPSS to obtain a representative sample. Descriptive statistics provided useful insights into the characteristics of the respondents. Inferential analysis showed that smoking status significantly influences insurance charges, while regional differences do not significantly affect insurance costs. Therefore, the research objectives were successfully achieved. Thank you for watching our presentation.